Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your OnePlus Watch with Android. Today we will use the HeyTap app in the Android. You can see we have to scan the QR code first, and the watch that we have unfortunately is Chinese version. This is a mistake from the seller that sends us a Chinese version of the OnePlus Watch, but either way we will show you how to connect the others as well in the end of this video. Here, when we scan the QR code that we have in the watch, it opens up this page, which I find it difficult to work here, so I just copied the link and put it in the Google Chrome, and now it's working. You can see now we are downloading the file, and this won't take too much of the time, a few seconds maybe, and after that you are able to download the app and start using it. Unfortunately, again, as you can imagine, this app is mostly in Chinese. HeyTap Health is the app that we will use today, and this app also does not exist in the Play Store. It's a little bit difficult to use this app with this watch, but we have to do what we have to do, and we have to show you guys how to use both of these versions. So if you have a US version or European, wait until the end of the video. We will show you what app do you have to use and how to connect that as well. Now that we have the app already downloaded, press agree. We have to agree with all of this, allow phone calls, and get started. So here we can sign in. We can use a Gmail that we already have, or we can sign in with a new email. Either way, we are using an email that we already have. Press continue, and it will send you a verification code to this email exactly. Now we have to allow file and other things like usual. Weekly report. You can see now we have the app already opened up. 5 pages down below, home, service. You can see how many things are in Chinese that we don't understand and we can't use because of the language barrier. We have fitness, device, and we have me at the final page. Here at the device, we press add new device, where we have to allow to take pictures, also the location. Now we have to scan again the QR code that we got in the beginning. You can see it says preparing. This will take you a couple of minutes until you are finished with the pairing. Now we have the code, the pairing code that it says. As you can see, it says pairing, and now they are paired. We have to agree first to the user terms and the policy, data sign via Bluetooth. We have to allow the connected with Oppo Watch. We have to allow the contacts, call logs, and messages as well, so we can make phone calls and receive messages. Also receive notifications, so we have to allow notifications here in the settings. We have to choose left or right wrist, obviously. Let's go for the left. We wear the watch is in our left hand. Now we are setting up the watch. This will take again a couple of seconds. So let's see what we have after that. Now that it says you're all set, starting the watch, press continue. The watch is ready to use. Now we can see the page, the first page in the watch, which has to ask us about the Alipay. For now, we will skip it because we can't use the Alipay here in our country. This is the OnePlus Watch and his first page. You can see all in Chinese. We are just pressing it to get it out of the way. Now we have the first page open up. You can see again all in Chinese. Unfortunately, most of the things are in Chinese, so if you don't understand, I'm sorry, I don't understand either, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We have here the ranking. As you can see, we have to allow the rank is not available right now. You can turn it on later. We have here all of my goals. You can see the family health, heart rate data. You can see we have the statistic for day, week, month, or year. Also, we have the range, resting, and the heart rate down below. After that, we will find the sleep. Again, day, week, month, and year. We have average sleep, deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time. all at the bottom, also the daily average of sleep, hours and minutes. Next we have the weight. We didn't add that right now. We have the logs and all of the data that we have. Also we have the stress data measured with statistic. Again, all the data will be here in the first page. After that we have all the data completed in the one page. You can see we have workouts, we have calories, we have activities, all kinds of data with day. As you can see, the days of the week at the top. Also we can change the date at the calendar sign. If you go and press all data after you look at the blood oxygen, obviously you will find a lot of more as at the others, as for example the ACG. Here at the second page we can't use this page because it's all in Chinese. Also it doesn't have any option. I think these are just newspapers. Same as in the second page, you can see we can read about the fitness and other stuff and plans for fitness, and we can also go at running, walking or other stuff that we can do outside. And activate it, we have a 3-second countdown, as you can see right now, that it will begin immediately. We have duration, kilometers, pace, etc. Also we will see ourselves while we are running in the map, which is a really good option to have. Obviously we should have that. At the fourth page, the OnePlus page is the first option, which we can see the watch faces, and here is the time to have a little bit fun, I guess. This page is all in English, which makes it a lot easier for us to work here. As you can see, we have a very good option here in the OnePlus, which is custom album. So we can put a picture here, whatever we want, in the main screen or in the custom album, and we can put that as the face watch. As you can see, it says sizing to the watch. Now we have a brand new watch face, and we can customize the style of the clock. Also we can customize a couple of things. So this is the first option that we have for the watch faces in the OnePlus. This is not all, obviously we have a lot more. If we go back, we have outfit. As we saw, it didn't work for us, but we have here my watch faces. These are already downloaded from default, and these change in a matter of seconds, which is amazing. If you prefer these type of watch faces, you can change them how many times you want, and is a very fast way. This is one of my favorite because you can use the icons, as you can see in the middle of the screen. Let's power it, the brightness on. You can see the call sign and Alipay, etc. If you press, it will open up that menu. Here we are at the online faces. As you can see, we have sport, minimalistic, and we have all in categories, which makes it a lot easier to find or prefer watch faces. For me, I'm always at the classic. These are one of the best watch faces that smartwatches have. This caught my eye. Let's try this out and see how it will look like. And also I have to mention again that the screen of the OnePlus makes these look very good. The colors on the OnePlus are very good. Now we are back at the first page of the OnePlus. We have here more where we can find signs, phone notification, workout and health settings, music manager, where we can upload music and create playlist as well. Not to forget to mention also this one, we have to add contacts if we want to make phone calls from our watch. We have a user guide, help and feedback, app protection, device update, about a smartwatch, and unbind. So these are some of the options that we have in the OnePlus app. This is the HeyTap. Don't forget, this is the Chinese version. We also have the US and European version as well. At the settings, we will find here a couple of other options, which I didn't touch these. I let them like as they are because I don't find them satisfying to work with them. Basically, this is all that we have here. Now we are showing you how to connect with earbuds, one of the most requested option These are the first generation of earbuds from OnePlus. As you can see, we are at the Bluetooth headset in the settings, and immediately it recognizes our OnePlus buds. Also in the phone it recognizes them as well. Now as you can see, it says connected, which let us know that we can listen to the music from the Bluetooth headset. We can listen and control the music that is uploaded by us. We saw before how to upload them, or we can control and listen to the music that is playing from the phone. Either way, a very good option to have in the OnePlus devices. You can see now it's playing the song. We can raise and lower the volume, we can shuffle, we can repeat the song, we can do all of the things. Also skip the song, play the previous one or the next one. Here at the three dots we can control the mobile music or play the music that is from the watch, as I said and mentioned before. So this is the OnePlus Health. This is the app that you have to download if you have a OnePlus US version or a European. You have to put your data here, so as for example your birthday, height, weight, etc. Allow all the things that is required, also the location like usual. So you can clearly see this app is much cleaner, is much better for my opinion, and here we have only 3 pages, which is very good to use. Allow the Bluetooth to turn on, and let's go to the second page. Immediately start to connect the watch. Unfortunately for us, this watch won't connect, but these are the steps that you have to take to connect this watch. Immediately it found the watch that is nearby. We have the pairing number like it should, but when you press pair, you will see that it will not connect. It's trying to connect, it will say pairing, but as you can see it says in the end pairing failed. This will keep going, so no, don't try to connect them, don't try to factory reset or anything, it won't work. If you have a Chinese version like we do, just use the HeyTap Health app. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.